in a throwaway society these days.
But there was a time when we fixed things, or at least tried to. Here's this week's Traveler Throwback Thursday.
You know what happens when things quit working. You pound on it, you try to fix it, but you probably just toss it. But in small-town America, seems a lot of people would rather fix it than throw it away. And that's good news for Donald Berg. The sign outside his shop, "We fix everything."
We give it a try, yes.
Don's small shop is packed with VCRs and TVs, appliances for which time has stopped. Don's job is to try to get them working again.
We do the best we can.
People bring in CB radios, 8-track tape players. Need an old vacuum tube? Don has boxes of old ones and very old ones.
We'll never find a use for it, I guarantee it.
You can't throw it away.
No, we got to hang on to that.
The problem with a lot of things today is they cost more to repair than to replace.
And a lot of times, I guess the biggest problem is if it's an economical, like that toaster. The toaster is $15 for a thermostat, and you can replace the whole toaster for $9.
But still, they bring in old lamps needing a new switch, drills needing a new motor, a sander with a broken gear. Don gives it a shot. He may have to make a part from scratch, but he just hates throwing anything away.
It's kind of an old idea where people repair everything. And I think with the problems of our landfills becoming filled and so on, that there should be a need for this eventually. But maybe we're a little before our time again now. I don't know.
Maybe the time will come when it'll be more economical and more environmental to get things fixed rather than throw them away. Don Berg is looking toward the future. He's not trying to change it. He just wants to fix it. Traveling in Dodgeville, I'm Mark Kane, WISC News 3.
And that's a big movement again, trying to fix things.
I wish I had those skills.
I know.
And I wish he was still around. I've got a whole list of things I could bring over.
You know, my mother had a refrigerator for like 45 years.
Yeah.
My last one lasted 6, I think.
Right, I know. It's a different era. It's true. It's really true.